Welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back. It is February, the month we celebrate love, and I am going to dedicate this month's monthly layout, which I don't typically do on camera. I'm going to dedicate that to a cute, simple, and inspirational love layout. So I'm going to use existing planners, sticker books, and washi that I have on hand. That's how I'm going to challenge myself. And let's see what we come up with here. If you are not a current subscriber, I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of future videos. And if you like what you see, at any point, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button so that we can continue to grow our crafting community. Thank you so much and stay tuned until the end. And here it is, my simple, inspirational, and cute love layout. I've also added some close-ups at the end. And I hope you enjoyed watching this layout come together as much as I appreciate you taking the time to do so. And until we're back here again on YouTube, you know the story. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.